Malambong adlaw Sugbo for today's ganap. Pasko na gayon! Gipahigayon sa Cebu Provincial Government ang Pasko sa Kapitolyo 2025. Pasko sa Kahayag, Paglaum ug Pagbangon sa mga Cebuano. Dali atong saksihan ang Capitol Christmas Lighting 2025. Tara!
Sa janing taknaan, dapit sa kahimayaan, mauraya mong nakita ang barangay na masanagot. Bulahan o bulahan, ang kabalay nga giawitan, awit sa halandon, sa lakas magpalipayo.
Tonight is special. This is my first Christmas tree lighting as your governor. This moment means something far deeper to me because this year has tested Cebu in ways we will never forget. It has tested me in ways I will never forget. We stood trembling through an earthquake. We held our breath as Typhoon Tino, Uwan, and Verbena battered our towns and took away precious lives. And even before all of this, we were a province divided by politics, doubts, and wounds that went deeper than we care to admit. But look at us now. We are here under one sky, sharing one hope, celebrating one Christmas tree that reminds us light always returns, and we rise because we rise together. This is why tonight is more than tradition. It is a symbol of healing, of unity, of beginnings that feel fragile but real. And because I carry that responsibility as your governor and as the mother of this province, I want to use this time to make this announcement. There will be no grand Capitol Christmas party this year. Smaller celebrations per office can still take place because I know our hardworking employees have also been looking forward to this. But the usual big gathering will not happen. This Christmas is not about extravagance. It is about reflection. About choosing to be better and not bitter. Kinder and not angrier. More united, not divided. Cebu has felt like one big family, hurting together, rebuilding together, and now hoping together. So together, let us welcome a Christmas of hope and a New Year grounded in humility, unity, and love for Cebu. Thank you to everyone, and I sincerely wish all of you usa ka malipayong ug mabulahang Pasko. Daghang salamat.
Sa tiyaning taknaan, dapit sa kahimayaan, mauraya mong nakita.
Og Pasko na gayon sa Kapitolyo. Bisitahan na, mag-picture-picture na, kuyog ang pamilya. Malipayong Pasko gikan ni Governor Pam ug ang entire probinsya sa Sugbo. This is 𝐂𝐚𝐩𝐢ℎ, your Ganaps buddy for Capitol Ganaps. Merry Christmas!